Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to reorganize the go-to list on your Nokia 105. So when you press this button here, you go to the quick go-to list. So let's say we want our radio here to be second. What we can do, we can come out, go to the main menu, come all the way down to the settings, and then come down to go to settings, and then select organize, the second on the list here. And now we want to come to the radio as we want to move this up. So then we want to press the large button in the middle to move, and you can move it to the top, you can move it up, move it down, move it to the top, or move it to the bottom. The quickest way, as we've got to move it a long way, we can move it to the top. And as you can see, it's the top. Now we can press move again and move down as we want it second. Otherwise, we'll have to keep moving it up and keep moving it like that slowly. And then we can come back out of that now. It'll ask you, do you want to save changes? And we press yes. We'll confirm it. So now we press back. And let's go to the go-to menu. As you can see now, the radio is second. So that's how to reorganize the go-to menu on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out this quick playlist here where I have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.